Okay, we just got this Philips i9000 Prestige Ultra, and we're going to see what the hype is about and review it for you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It looks like it comes in a box, which is really nice. It's like a secure box that you're not gonna break it in, and perfect for travel. I'm not sure what this is. It says Quick Clean Pod cartridge. So maybe it's used to clean. I'm not sure, clean something. It does come with a charging cable and a manual as well. Then this is also somewhere you can hold it. So you can set it up, you can put it in there. I will show it to you guys after. And then we also have a different attachment for it. All right, let's unbox the device. All right, so this is what this looks like. It's got the rounded design. It's got 3, and it's kind of like moving. It can move different ways, so it's not going to hurt your face because it's going to move when it gets to the edges. So that's really interesting how it's kind of like moving. So that's pretty cool, and it's designed to not hurt your face, to make it as smooth as possible, not leave any razor bumps, which is amazing. I'm just going to test it out on my arm a little bit. So this part is already shaved, and then I need to shave this part. So I just turn it on using this. And then, oh, it's very interesting. It's literally just like moving around. It's pretty cool. Feels really smooth and soothing. Honestly feels like a gentle massage. Pretty nice. Alright, so as you can see, it's clean shaven, very nice. I definitely like this. And then, as I said before, you can put this somehow in here. I think like this. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think like that. And then I want to say it's cleaning the shaver. I'm not completely sure what is going on. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, it has different settings. So it's on the foam setting. It's got a sensitive setting, regular, intense, and then foam, back to foam. So it has different settings as well, which is pretty cool. Okay, and it has a whole instruction page regarding the cleaning cartridge, which is this, how to use it. Basically, after a shave, you would usually take off this head, and then you would clean it, actually. So you can open this. You can use a brush. You can charge it on here. So it also comes with this. I didn't even see it. Completely missed it. But it comes with a brush, and you can just kind of brush out all the hair that you've shaved. So it's all coming out on the ground now. And then you can put it back in. So yeah, really nice machine. I definitely recommend this. It lives up to the hype and the expectations. So yeah, go get yours.